Ever try to make the perfect sauce, sear a steak, or melt chocolate, only to have your pan heat unevenly, scorch your food, or force you to hover over the stove the entire time? It's frustrating, time-consuming, and honestly, it can ruin dinner before it even begins. That's why I was so excited to try the Nuwave Flex Precision Induction Cooktop, a compact, powerful induction burner designed to give you precise temperature control from 100 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. For anyone who's serious about cooking, loves efficiency, or simply wants to take the guesswork out of stovetop meals, this is an appliance that promises to make life easier. Right out of the box, the Flex feels surprisingly solid. The 10.25-inch ceramic glass surface is sleek, modern, and heavy-duty, giving it a premium feel you don't always get in countertop induction cooktops. What's immediately noticeable is how smooth it is. No awkward buttons or confusing dials. Everything is controlled digitally, and the interface is intuitive. The response is instant, so when you adjust the temperature on the fly, you don't have to wait for the cooktop to catch up. That's a huge deal if you're adjusting heat while searing or simmering delicate sauces. One of the first things I tested was the precision heating. The Flex offers 45 temperature settings, either via 6 convenient presets or custom increments in 10 degrees Fahrenheit steps. I started with a delicate chocolate ganache at 100 degrees Fahrenheit, and it stayed smooth and perfect without scorching, a common problem on regular stovetops. Then I cranked it up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit to sear a steak, and it delivered a beautifully even crust with strong grill marks. The heating coil placement is clever. The patented design puts the coil closer to the cookware than competitors, which eliminates cold spots and ensures uniform cooking. You can tell Nuwave really focused on practical results rather than just throwing high-tech specs at you. From a usability perspective, it's a dream. The cooktop heats fast, the digital controls are responsive, and cleanup is effortless. The shatter-proof ceramic glass surface is sturdy and feels safe, even if you accidentally drop something on it. It's slim and compact, so it fits neatly in small apartments, tiny kitchens, or even for additional cooking stations in larger kitchens. Unlike some induction burners, it doesn't feel wobbly, cheap, or awkward to store it out of course. Nothing is perfect. The Flex has a 6.5-inch heating coil, so while it's perfect for most pots and pans, extra-large cookware may not heat as evenly at the edges. Also, with a maximum output of 1,300 watts, it's powerful enough for most home cooking but won't replace a full stovetop for multiple simultaneous pots of food. If you're cooking for a large family every night or need to handle big stock pots, you might still want a traditional range. But for single dishes, precision cooking, or supplemental heat, it excels, comparing it to other portable induction burners like the Duckstop 9600LS or Secure models. The Flex stands out for 3 main reasons. First, the range of 45 temperature settings gives far more precision than the usual 10 to 20 increments on competing models. Second, the patented coil placement and insulation technology deliver faster, more even heat. And third, the on-the-fly adjustment feature is seamless. You can tweak time or temperature mid-cook without restarting. Many induction burners force you to reset if you want to make changes, which is frustrating when you're juggling multiple components of a meal. Who should seriously consider the Flex? Home cooks who value precise temperature control, people with small kitchens or apartments, and anyone who likes cooking with confidence will find this appliance a huge time saver. It's perfect for delicate sauces, melting chocolate, sautéing vegetables evenly, or quickly searing meat without burning. On the other hand, if you need to cook multiple large dishes simultaneously or rely on very large pans, you might need a secondary induction burner or traditional stovetop alongside it. All in all, the Nuwave Flex Precision Induction Cooktop delivers where it counts. Fast, even heating, extreme temperature control, and a user-friendly design that makes cooking easier and more reliable. It's not just a gadget. It's a practical tool that can genuinely improve your day-to-day cooking. For those reasons, I'd give it a solid 9 out of 10. It's compact, precise, and thoughtfully designed. And while it's not a replacement for a full stove for every scenario, for most home cooks, it's close to perfect. If you're tired of inconsistent stovetops, scorched sauces, or imprecise heating, Check the link in the description to see the latest pricing. And if this review helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest kitchen appliance reviews, and stay tuned. You won't want to miss what's coming next.